welcome back to my show. Today, my mom's gonna paint me a Sally of Night Before Christmas. Hooray! Right there, and the water cup, and right here. And have Jack Skellington there. He's right there. He's right there, and the pumpkin. Let's get started! Yay! And there's the puppy. He blows, and he's a ghost. Woo! Let's get started.
Okay, Audrey, are you ready?
Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Yay!
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so for this makeup costume look, you need 4 things. You're gonna need some blue paint.
Blue.
You're gonna need a red lipstick
For her lips.
for
Look
her
at her.
lips. You're gonna need a black eyeliner
To be her strings.
for stitches.
Yes.
And a white eyeliner
For
the stitches. You'll see.
the white parts of the make it a little bit more lighter hair.
All right, are you ready? Okay, let's see. Let's start. We're gonna start with the blue makeup. So for this makeup, it's water activated. So you just dip your brush in some water.
Okay, is our second time using it. We use the Ghost Spider one and Sally one.
This is much better than the white one though.
Yeah.
I like this one better.
Yeah, like it can wash easy in the shower
Oh yes, this one with just water, it comes right off.
with water. Water activate and then water takes off activate, I call it.
Ooh, yes, fancy word. All right.
Kids, and we also have like a Sally Build-A-Bear we did, and we have a Sally Stuffy.
Yep, this one's so much easier than the white one. Then this one, what brand is it? This is called Paradise Makeup AQ.
Where we can buy it?
You can buy it on Amazon.
Amazon!
Okay, so now you just let it sit for just a couple, like a minute or two, and make sure it dries up, and then we can start doing the rest.
I could be in my bathtub. Relaxing.
Salon.
Yes.
In your spa.
Yay! I could be in my bathtub. This is relaxing.
Okay, so now we're gonna do a red lipstick. All right. All right, go ahead, look. How does it look?
Good. I want to see the camera.
All right, hold on, the mirror. Okay, I'll get you a mirror right now. All right, so after the lips, we're gonna do these stitches. Okay, so we're gonna use black eyeliner to do these stitches. So we're just gonna go pretty easy. A line. We can do X. Oops, that one broke. Okay.
It looks like a real. If you twist the bottom, it looks like a real pencil. Cause if it breaks your pencil, and then you like get a sharpener and then twist it, and then boom, it fixes.
Okay, so you see that? So you just do a line, X, line, X, line, X.
A pattern.
Okay, so the next one we're gonna do the straight, X, straight, look straight up. Line with the X, another line, X. Okay, the next thing, we're gonna do some eyelashes. Close your eyes.
Eyelashes is easy.
Close your eyes.
And they look good.
Okay, and last but not least,
The white pencil.
the white pencil. And this is gonna give it a nice detail on the stitches. So you're just gonna put it right in between.
Same thing.
You're gonna trace over the black.
It doesn't really hurt since it's a pencil. And kids, do not play with pencil while you're running or like poking yourself. Look at my Sally face.
Okay, you ready to see what it looks like?
Yeah,
All right,
I'll
ready?
close my eyes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Open them.
Wow! I like it.
That looks cool.
I can't see in one eye though. When I close it, I can't see the eyebrows.
It looks cool. I like it.
Thank you. And I have the stitches.
Wow.
It can be X stitches or line stitches. Like this, or this, or this, or this, this.
Cool. It looks like you're ready for Halloween.
Okay, we're gonna go trick or treat now. Bye. I gotta go get lots of candy. Let's go. Bye. And make sure to subscribe. Bye. I gotta go now.